Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I've made a real-time global chat app that anyone can use from anywhere in the world. Even you can join the chat and send me a cool message there. I'll paste the link in description. Before we jump in, let me quickly tell you about the tool that we are going to use today. It's Google App Scripts. It's basically a cloud service provided by Google where you can write code to automate tasks or build small web apps. The cool part is you don't need a server or a database. Your app just runs in the cloud, and this is perfect for our chat app today. So I started by asking Chatgpt to provide me steps to make me a chat web app. It first suggested me using Google Sheets to store messages. Then I thought actually I don't want to use Sheets since Sheets require permissions. So I asked him I need a way to do it without Google Sheets, and ChatGPT told me about Properties Service, basically a way to store messages in the cloud without any Google Sheet. Perfect, that's what I needed. I did what ChatGPT asked me as it is and pasted the code and HTML it provided. Then I deployed it as a web app providing access to anyone with a Google account. Then I got a basic chat interface working. A text box, send button, messages are appearing, but the UI was very basic, but the functions are there. ChatGPT asked me whether I need a login page as well. So I said why not? It provided me the updated HTML with a login page. Since the UI was very basic, I asked ChatGPT to make the modern UI for me. Then he provided me the updated HTML. I pasted it and deployed it as a new version. Now the UI looks very modern. Suddenly it looked like a real modern app. Then I noticed something weird. The typing box is so tiny, even I cannot see it. So I asked ChatGPT to make it bigger. I had tried several things provided by him. Finally, I asked him to make the send button smaller and it worked. The UI looks very nice now. Login page is there, enter name is there, and send messages. All are working. Even we can see the logout button there. Now, the messages are refreshing every second. I thought, that's too much executions in our app scripts. I asked ChatGPT, can we refresh only when someone sends a message? He said yes. He gave me steps to implement long polling. Now, messages appear instantly when someone sends, not every second. But we are not hitting execution limits, and that's amazing. It works now as expected. I wanted to test whether chats are appeared in other users as soon as they are sent. Yes, it works. I tested it using 2 accounts. Finally, I wanted pressing enter instead of the mouse click button to send a message. I tried it and oh no, it sent 2 messages now. So I asked ChatGPT what was happening and he saved me again. Now, enter sends 1 message nicely and it works just like a real chat app. And that's it. A colorful animated real-time global chat app built entirely with Google App Script. Messages are persistent, updates happen instantly, and it all runs in the cloud without sheets or database. I want to thank ChatGPT for helping me out when things got tricky. If you like this, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what feature I should add next. See you in the next one. Don't forget to send me a chat using the link given below in the description.